Isn't it amazing to see the real numbers of the Galaxy S24 Ultra way ahead of the launch, and some of the numbers are promising and some are really confusing because they unlock the GPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor? By this time, we all know that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, but this processor will be overclocked at 3.3 GHz. We got the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance numbers this time. Did you notice a difference between the single-core score of 1634 and the multi-core score of 5947? Because this was tested on Geekbench 5, we should not compare it to Geekbench 6. This processor is rated at 3.19 GHz, the same as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 standard version, while the S24 Ultra will feature a 3.3 GHz processor, a customized variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 designed for Galaxy. The CPU has been improved, but the GPU remains a challenge. The Adreno 750 GPU will be used in the S24 Ultra, however its frequency will be lower than in the previous generation. According to the numbers, the previous generation received 903 MHz while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 received 770 MHz. As a result, the performance gap between the previous generation and current generation will be reduced. The difference will be just 10%, which isn't much, but it will increase the power efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. As a result, the S24 Ultra will provide us with better battery life than the S23 Ultra, which is already a battery king in the Android market. If you are considering the Exynos 2400 S24 and S24 Plus, this processor will be available in the Asian and European markets. There is some inside information about the Galaxy S24 Ultra cameras. The S24 Ultra will include two upgraded sensors, the primary sensor and the telephoto sensor. The primary sensor will go with the 200-megapixel upgraded ISOCELL HP2SX sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel 5x new telephoto sensor, without the 10-megapixel 10x telephoto sensor. People are more worried about the 100x zoom feature on the S24 Ultra, but you shouldn't worry since it's going to be 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor instead of 100x zoom. S24 Ultra allows you to switch between lenses while recording 4K 60 frames per second, which was not possible on prior generations of Galaxy handsets. Some speculate that we may even see an 8K video at 60 frames per second feature, which I'm sure no one would utilize owing to the file size. If you just record a short video, the file will be enormous, but Samsung is addressing this issue with the new storage option. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.